Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? How was your day? Hope it was not too stressful and hope you had enough time to rest during the week. And you all are welcome to Acuity Talks teaching program. For those of you that are new to Acuity Talks, my name is Alfred. I care for children and you're welcome. But for those of you that keep coming back, you're much appreciated. In this video, I'm going to be teaching mathematics for 6-year-olds in grade 2. So 6-year-olds, get ready, sit down and listen to this video till the end, because at the end of the video, there's going to be a pop quiz. Let's get right into it. Okay, so in the beginning of every numeracy class, we are going to have what we call a mental math test. What did I say? A mental math test. And in every mental math test, we are going to have 5 questions. How many questions? 5 questions. Now, there are also going to be instructions to the mental math quiz, so you have to listen to the instructions very carefully. These are the instructions. I will read each question twice. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question and move on to the next. Question number 1. Write this number in figures. 1004. Write this number in figures. 1004. Question number 2. If Sadie had 9 oranges and she multiplies it with another 9 oranges, how many oranges does Sadie have now? If Sadie has 9 oranges and then she multiplies it with another 9 oranges, how many oranges does she have left? Question number 3. I have a 10p coin. I also have a 20p coin, and I also have a 5p coin. How much money do I have all together? I have a 10p coin, I also have a 20p coin, and I also have a 5p coin. How much do I have all together? Question number 4. A fan spins for 5 hours in one day. How many hours will the fan spin in 6 days? A fan spins 5 hours in one day. How many hours will the fan spin in 6 days? Question number 5. A bottle of Coke holds 1 liter. A bottle of Fanta weighs 22 milliliters less than the bottle of Coke. How much does the bottle of Fanta hold? A bottle of Coke holds 1 liter. A bottle of Fanta holds 22 milliliters less than the bottle of Coke. How much does the Fanta hold? Are you all sure that you got your answer correct? Are you all sure that you got your answer correct? Are you sure? Well, these are the answers. Yes, so you are a superstar if you got everything correct. Superstar. If you got everything correct, kindly send a message in the comment section below. Okay, so I am going to play a quick video for you guys to watch before we start with the class proper. So kindly listen to the video loud and clear. Hi, happy Saturday. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply by 4. Now you will listen to me so that when I ask you, you will be able to answer. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. Now you say it before me. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. Now you say it on your own. 4 times 1 is 4 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 4 times 4 is 4 times 5 is 4 times 6 is 4 times 7 is 4 times 8 is 4 times 9 is 4 times 10 is 4 times 11 is 4 times 12 is. Great job, everyone. Fantastic. You have showed me that you really know your 4 times table. Did you enjoy that video? Well, I hope you did. So, from that video, I believe that you know what we are going to be learning today. Who knows what we are going to be learning today? If you know what we are going to be learning today, kindly go to the comment section below and chat there. Yes, so today we are going to be learning how to multiply by 4. Our topic today is multiplying by 4. What did I say our topic is today? Multiplying by 4. Yes, some of you, I said some of you, might be wondering, what is multiplication? How do we multiply? Well, multiplication is the process or skill of multiplying. Multiplication is the process or skill of multiplying. And how do we multiply? Multiplying is just like, to me, skip counting. Like skip counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, like multiplying. So how do you multiply? You multiply by skip counting. Yes. So today's multiplication table is 4 times table. What is our multiplication table today? 4 times table. Now, how many of you know your 4 times table? If you know your 4 times table, beautiful. But if you don't know your 4 times table, let us recite it together. The chart is on the board, so you can be looking at the 4 times table chart on the board while I am saying it, and you'll stay with me. Is that good? Okay. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. Beautiful. So I hope that you have learned your multiplication. If you have not, please play the video from when I started saying it. Memorize it, because at the end there's going to be a pop quiz like I said at the beginning of the video. Now I know you guys are big boys and big girls. You are in second grade. Wow, you guys are in second grade. Beautiful. I know that you guys are big boys and big girls. That is why we are not going to be going through our 3 times table, our 2 times table, and our 1 times table. Because 1 times table and 2 times table, that is for grade 1. Yes. So if you do not know your 3 times table, let's quickly go through a recap of our 3 times table. The chart is on the board, so you can just say it with me. But if you know it, just keep watching. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 11 is 33, 3 times 12 is 36. Wow, beautiful job. You all are superstars. Now remember, like I said, we always keep count when multiplying. You can also add. Like in the 3 times table, you know that 3 times 1 is 3. Now to get 3 times 2, just add 3 to that 3 and you get 6. So like 4 times table, you have 4. Multiply the number that is the timetable with the number that is there. Like 4, if you need 4 times table and you have 4, you just add 4 and 4 and you get 4 times 2. So do you get that? You can also skip count. Now if you know how to skip count by 4s, you should know what 4 times 3 will be. 4, 8, 12. So 4 times 3 will be 12. Okay, so are you guys ready for our pop quiz? Are you ready for our pop quiz? I hope you are ready for our pop quiz. Now, a note. If you have found your answer for the pop quiz, send it in the comment section below. I will reply to you telling you if you're correct or wrong. If you're wrong, I will explain the question to you in the comment section below. Yes, and we have unlocked a new times table. Woo! Yes, we have unlocked our 4 times table. Wow, we have unlocked our 4 times table. Beautiful. I'm sure that you have learned a 4 times table from this video. Yes, so it's time for our pop quiz.